Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 25th December. So if we see yesterday's realized weather, so mainly fog conditions were prevailed over most parts of northwest India, including Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, western parts of Madhya Pradesh, especially northwest Madhya Pradesh, and also over hills including Jammu and Kashmir and Uttarakhand, especially plain areas of Uttarakhand like Haridwar, etc. And some pockets of Meghalaya, Barapani also reported dense to very dense fog conditions. So if we see visibility of different airports, mainly over northwest India, you will see that Amritsar and Patiala reported visibility of the order of 0 to 25. In Rajasthan, Jaisalmer reported zero visibility, and Delhi, especially Indira Gandhi International Airport, reported zero visibility during the period of 0530 means 0530 hours IST to 9:30 hours IST today morning. So that's we can say that over Delhi airport this zero visibility persisted for 3 to 4 hours in the morning and impacted aviation sector. And as regards in Uttar Pradesh, Agra and Prayagraj reported zero visibility in morning hours today. In northwest Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior reported zero visibility. So we can see that most parts of northwest India reported some pockets dense to very dense fog conditions, and otherwise no heavy rainfall and other significant rainfall reported over any parts of the country. So we can say that only dense fog conditions prevailed today early hours and morning hours over different parts of northwest, adjoining central and parts of northeast India. If we see minimum temperature scenario, you will see that this is the actual minimum prevailing today. So you will see that in the range of 7 to 10 degrees Celsius reported most parts of northwest India, and in the order of 10 to 12 over parts of central adjoining east India. And minimum temperatures are above normal by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over most parts of northwest, central, east and northeast India. So these are the two maps. This is the departure of the minimum from the long term average, and this is the actual minimum. So we can say that minimum temperatures are above normal over most parts of northwest, east, central and northeast India. And if we see today's synoptic system, so we are having only one cyclone circulation over eastern parts of Bangladesh, and under the influence of this cyclone circulation, northeast India including Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura likely to experience isolated light to moderate rainfall during next 24 hours. Otherwise, this region of South Peninsular India also likely to experience isolated rainfall activity, especially Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Lakshadweep region light to moderate isolated activity during next 5 days. Otherwise, no heavy warning has been issued for any parts of the country. Now, if we see the today's highlights, these are the today's highlights. So we accordingly we mention. First point is that dense to very dense fog conditions likely to continue, likely to experience over parts of northwest and adjoining central India during next 3-4 days. And second point, as already mentioned yesterday, that a fresh spell of light to moderate rainfall likely over coastal Tamil Nadu from the period of 30th December to 1st of January. And third point is that under the influence of a western disturbance, bad spell likely over northwest and adjoining central India during the period of 30th December to 2nd of January 2024. So these are the highlights. Now let us see the 5 days warning map, especially dense fog conditions. You will see that during next 3 days, this region of northwest and adjoining central India are likely to experience dense to very dense fog conditions. Accordingly, orange color is given to Jammu Kashmir for today and the whole region of northwest India, including Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, meaning thereby that dense to very dense fog conditions likely to experience in early hours and morning hours over this region. This northern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and also Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura also likely to experience dense fog conditions during next 24 hours. Accordingly, you will see that orange to yellow color is given to these parts of northwest India and adjoining central India. This Odisha region also, especially this Malkangiri and Koraput region, also over this Raulkela region also likely to experience dense fog conditions during next 2 days. So these are the weather warnings. So in summary, we can say that these parts of northwest adjoining central India likely to experience dense to very dense fog conditions during next 3-4 days, and parts of Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura also likely to experience dense fog conditions during next 4-5 days, and Odisha region, especially South Odisha and North Interior Odisha, likely to experience dense fog conditions during next 2 days in morning hours. So this is the summary about the expected weather. And about the forecast, as already mentioned, that under the influence of northeasterly winds, wet spell likely to experience over coastal Tamil Nadu during the period of 30th December to 1st of January, and under the influence of a fresh western disturbance, parts of northwest and central India likely to experience wet spell, light to moderate rainfall during the period of 30th December onward. So these are the for today's all about briefing, and we will update again with the updated information. Till then, Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.